This holiday season, go the extra mile and beautifully bring your light display together with this outdoor power outlet yardstake with built-in 48-pin mechanical timer from PLT. Designed to blend in seamlessly with your lawn and greenery, this 6-outlet power stake lets you power up to 1,875 watts of lights. Say goodbye to bulky extension cords covering your yard. This yardstake is easy to install and sets up in a matter of minutes. Firstly, insert the stake into the ground and connect it to an outlet using the power cord. Then, open the waterproof covers and plug in your lights. 3 of the outlets are rotatable, allowing you to easily run lights in different directions. Next, let's set up the timer. Turn the dial clockwise to set the current time, then pull up the pins to set the off times. You can push them back down to set on times. Each pin represents 30 minutes. Make sure that the slider switch below the timer is set to timer. Finally, press the power button on the stake to turn on your lights. If you want the lights to be on all the time, override the timer by sliding the switch to on. Find these and other high-quality decorations by calling 855-948-5079 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com.